See? Really, I've forgotten to bring. Oh my God, goodness. Rain. Everybody is having umbrella. I've forgotten. Thought it's not raining outside, but it's raining. Raining. What to do? It's raining. It's raining. See, it's raining. Raining, raining, raining. Raining in New York City. Raining, raining. It's raining. Raining here. Oh my God, I forgot to bring my umbrella. I got all bad, all bad. What to do? What to do?
Literally, Kawa is like.
What to do? What to do? It's raining. Everybody is having umbrella. But I don't know that it's raining outside, so I didn't bring my umbrella. Wow. Yeah. Where I used to play my lottery. And see? ये देखो, ये नया खुला है. ये देखो क्या लिखा है. ये है विंगस्टॉप है, विंगस्टॉप. क्या लिखा है वहाँ पे है ना, वो क्या बोलते हैं, बंक. अमेरिका में ना ये है बंक, फ्री है, फ्री. इसलिए नया दुकान खोला है ना बंक. See, Subway, Subway, and my bank over here. That's a walking distance from my place. Walking distance from my place. I came here to it's a Chipotle. Came here to brought something. Yeah, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. My goodness. Where I have came. See? Everything you will get. Walking distance, my walking distance from my place. You'll get everything, everything. See? Get everything over here, here. Everything you will get. Exactly, you will get everything over here.